Limiting your search results can be extremely helpful in conducting research. In this example, I'm getting over 900,000 search results. So let's refine our search. Here in the left-hand column, we can refine by availability, resource type, publication date, even author, subject, and location if I'm trying to find resources in King Library. So for this example, I want to find peer-reviewed articles from the last 3 years. So I'm going to start off by setting my publication dates. So I'm going to go ahead and have a range from 2015 to 2018. I'm going to refine it. Now I'm going to select articles. Apply that filter. And I want these articles to be peer-reviewed, so I'm going to select that option. So by going through those 3 easy steps of refining my search, I now have about 60,000 results. That is a lot less. It still should be refined a little bit more just to find that right article, but that was just a quick example of how to refine your searches. I hope that was helpful.